I've had it, I've had the soft top, which I love. It's a fastback soft top, and it looks really good, but I really wanted a hard top. But I refused to pay $5,000 for a fastback hard top. I really like the hard tops from DV8, and I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace since I've had the Jeep for a used one, and we finally found one. It's in Kansas City. We're meeting the guy halfway in Pittsburgh, and you guys hear how loud it is in here, which I'm just ready for a quieter ride. The hardtop that we found has carpet on the inside, and it should be super quiet. We got the soft top in safari mode right now. You can see we got the back panels off with the top on, which I like. It looks sweet, so we'll keep the soft top for sure, but ready for the hard top. We'll show you guys how we install. We're going to install it right there in the parking lot in Kansas. So we got the tools with us. We're going to knock that out, and we'll head back towards Tulsa, and we'll see you guys when we're southbound. So, all right.
Hi guys, we are southbound, northbound on the way to Kansas. As you can see, we're in the Jeep soft top safari mode, and we're getting a hard top, and I'm the photographer. I got rained on, but I'm a good sport.
She is a good sport.
I had my coffee, time for my nap. We'll see you in Kansas.
Well, we got home with the hardtop yesterday, and today we're gonna clean it. So I got some black polish, some Renew stuff. I'll show you on the screen what it is that we're working with today to bring this plastic back to life. I don't know how old this hardtop was. I know the guy had it on a trailer, and it was sitting out in the sun and in the elements for, you know, who knows, could be a couple years, several years, I'm not sure. But it is a little bit faded, so we're going to clean this thing down with some dish soap and scrub it down with a Scotch-Brite pad, and then try and bring it back to life. So grab you a cold one and check this out. That's all cleaned up, scrubbed down. We're going to hit it with this solution finish and see how restored it gets. Let's check it out. Alright, we got the solution finish. Black trim restore. Wow, that is black. That is certainly black. Wow. Oh boys, a different color. Oh my gosh. If you don't go buy this solution finish stuff right now, I don't know what you're doing. Link in the description. Hey Paco. Come here, buddy. I mean, by God, look at that. Fantastic. That product. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I will be. Solution Finish, hit me up. Good boy. My wife wasn't standing over there. I tell y'all, this is prettier than my wife. But she is. So I won't say that. Oh my goodness. This guy sold this to me so cheap. And we're making it look brand new. Guys, look at this. Are y'all seeing that? Here's the construction next door, sorry. But it's got a clean terry cloth. And we're just going through here and wiping off the excess. I hope you guys are as amazed as I am at what just transpired. I mean, if I were y'all, I'd go buy a gallon of this stuff. Put it on everything. Alright, now before we take the back off and start to clean it, we're going to tape around these windows real quick. Well, it's about to rain, so we had to move back indoors. But again, we're using this Solution Finish Black Trim Restore. Let's get started. Alright, we got the Solution Finish all on there. The last piece of the puzzle is this ceramic coating from Cerakote. These guys. Just these little wipes. So we'll pop these open, wipe it all down, and put a nice ceramic coating on there, and we'll get this thing thrown back on the Jeep. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the hardtop video. We got it all back installed, and now we're about to go take it out and play with it a little bit. So you guys enjoy some of these B-roll clips so you can see what the hardtop looks like when it's fully on. And stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be installing or replacing our lower intake manifold. So that'll be interesting. And we'll see you guys in that one. That's a wrap.